You didn't land on this message by accident. This is the moment your potential has been waiting for. You've been playing it safe, editing your purpose just to make others comfortable. But that ends now. You survived too much to keep second guessing yourself. The fear, the pain, the delays, they weren't setbacks. They were setups. Setups for strength, for clarity, for fire. And now, it's on you. Not tomorrow. Not when you feel ready. Now. You don't need more time. You need more truth. You don't need another sign. You are the sign. So stand up. Breathe deep. And walk. Like the version of you that refuses to die an average. Because somebody out there is waiting on you to become everything you said you would be. No more waiting. No more wasting. This is your turning point. Now move.